All right, so I'm not sure how I should explain this in a better way. I'm trying it again. So from one email inbox, right, I sent a test email with the subject testing replied label and the content test to my other inbox. So let's go into my other inbox. It got here, right? I, in turn, sent a reply back to my other inbox, right? So it came into my other inbox, right? My first reply, right? So from my other email, I sent a reply to the first email. All right. Again, I replied to this email from here, right? So I got a second reply in my inbox with the second response from my other email. All right. So let's sum up. I have two emails here because there are two responses. The first email I got from my other account, I responded to. So I want a replied label on the one to which I responded. I only responded to this one. Then on my other inbox, I replied again, my second response, which gave me another email in my inbox. So but I never replied to this one, right? So I don't want the label reply to be on this one, but on the one I actually replied to, right? On this one. I really hope it makes it more clear, but otherwise let's just forget about it because I don't understand what is not clear from my from my conversations. I really appreciate your help, but I feel like we're not getting anywhere here, right? Only the emails to which I reply should get the label, and all the other ones in my inbox from that person should not get a label. Right? Let me know if that's more clear. Thank you.